Snake that bit Esther is among a group of species considered the deadliest in Kenya. Even though scientists say 80% of snakes are not venomous, they warn against coming across the following snakes in Kenya: the puff adder, the black mamba, the green mamba.
And it has a slender long head, which is coffin-like shaped, with a small round eye and a smiling face, but deadly.
The Gabon viper, boomslang snake, the forest cobra, the mountain viper, rhinoceros viper, brown spitting cobra, the red spitting cobra, and the twig snake, which, by the way, has no antivenom to date.
Why is there no antivenom for them?
So that is why we are here. The guys who have been doing antivenom haven't included this one. They fall into same categories like boomslang, yeah, the venom. But at the moment, we don't use boomslang antivenom to treat this, yeah. So they are highly venomous, but they take time before they bite.
These are the type of snakes you do not want to come across. The deadliest among them is the black mamba, which accounts for the quickest death by a snake bite in the world. Its bite kills within 45 minutes, and that is if you're lucky. Often, its venom kills much faster. In Kenya, black mambas are widespread,